So this is going to be a quick lesson to go in addition to the gun you've just brought in and into your game, and hopefully got it lined up and working correctly. This is a shooting range, so you don't have to bring it into your game, but I would suggest you do. If you have a lot of stuff inside there, you could just add it to it. It's basic right now. There's no rigid body on it. There's no tags on it, etc. So, but you're just going to bring it in and you can start fooling around with it. Um, Again, you would go to Google Classroom and find I'm going to have it up here to Google Drive, and then you would just download it, right? You would download it, and then you would go to Assets, Import New Asset, and then find it. It's going to be a 3D object game, so you'll find it in your downloads, and then just double click and load it in, import it in. I then went and put it inside my model folder here, and then I dragged it in. So notice no colors, no nothing with it yet. So you can fool around with that and sort of make it your own. But I'll have more lessons on it as we go with it. I dragged it in. I think it's facing the right way. We'll look in a second. And of course, it has no rigid body on it yet. I haven't even really looked at it yet. But let's go take a look at it. Okay. So we have a door that will maybe shoot open eventually or push open, etc. So right now it doesn't have anything. So I'm going right through it. Then we're going to have a little shooting range here. We'll probably put some weapon here, some bullets here, etc. And have some stuff we're going to shoot. Again, there's no rigid bodies. There's nothing. We can probably go right through the wall here. So anyway, bring it in. See if you can maybe put some materials on it. Sort of make it yours. I speeded up my player to 12 because it took forever to get over here. And let's see. This is facing this way. Yeah, so remember, everything is facing this way. You bring something in, it better be facing this way. Ground is facing this way. So bring it in, maybe drag some materials on it, put some rigid body on it, maybe put some colliders on it, fool around with it. And remember, always save scene. So I would go up here and file, save as, scenes, gun prefab shoot. I would say range, my shooting range. Okay, all right, bring it in, fool around with it, get whatever you want going, and we'll continue with it in another lesson.